Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious Ofe Akwu aka Banga soup, guys. If you want to know how to make this delicious recipe, continue watching. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. This is the palm fruit, which is akwu. All right, so I'll be washing it and I'll be cooking it with water and be pounding it and use water to extract the juice. All right, so here is the iced fish I'll be using iced fish for this recipe. And here is scent leaf. All right, so I'll be shredding this scent leaf. And this is crayfish. I'll be grinding this crayfish. So here I have fresh pepper, onions, Banga fish. I'll be deboning this Banga fish. What we need is just the fish inside. And this is the seasoning cube I'll be using. Guys, this is our local spices. So here, this is called chansa. This is the name I know it for. Alright, I don't know the English name. So this is called orima. Alright, orima. This is the popular calabash nutmeg known as ehu. Then this is called control onions. And this is called efi. So I'll be grinding all this together. I'll be roasting it and I'll be grinding them together. Alright guys. So like I said, I've extracted the juice, from the palm nut, and here is it. So this is the fish stock. Here is the dressed Banga fish, rounded crayfish. This is the local spices, well grounded. Coarsely blended fresh pepper. So I'm going to be stirring this all together. And I'll be covering to boil until it thickens a little. So as it boils, it thickens. So I'm adding the fish. So for the fish, what I did is I added hot water to harden the fish to avoid it from breaking when it's cooking. All right, then I cooked it with, I seasoned it with onions, little water and seasoning cube, and as well salt. So I'm adding seasoning cube in here. Then salt. So you have to be careful because of the fish inside, and I'll be covering and I'm going to leave it to boil for like 15 minutes. Like I said, as it boils, it thickens. So the thickness is okay for me. I've added the shredded scent leaf. So this is the thickness, how it looks like. So it's once you are done with extracting your juice, the process is so easy. So this is the thickness of my Ofe Akwu. Right guys, it doesn't take time once you get your ingredients ready. So be leaving it for another 5 minutes and I'm done with cooking. All right. So like I said, as it boils, it thickens. As it boils, it thickens. All right. So this is it, guys. Simple, yummy looking, very tasty Ofe Akwu. You can enjoy this with white rice. All right, guys, and anything that works well with you. Isn't this yummy, guys? Isn't this yummy, guys? This is our delicious Ofe Akwu. Please get your cutleries. Let's enjoy this together, guys. Wow, this is good. Please make sure you try it out. Every recipe I share on this channel, make sure you share it out and leave me a comment in the comment section. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.